Hello, welcome to this training course on technical standardization in the construction sector. First, we have the 2020 to 2030 Luxembourg Standardization Strategy, which was approved by the Minister of the Economy in 2019. In this document, the construction sector was identified as one of the three strategic sectors for economic development in Luxembourg, along with aerospace and ICT. Following this strategy, ILNAS developed the 2020 to 2025 policy on technical standardization for the construction sector with the following three main axes. Promote the technical standardization to the national market, reinforce the valorization and the involvement regarding technical standardization, support education and the related research activities. So, the first step of this policy was to create the first standards analysis in the construction sector, with the aim of informing the national market about all the pertinent standards and encouraging its participation in technical standardization at a national, European or international level. The summary of this document. In this standards analysis, you will find a chapter about technical standardization and standards. This part is developed in other video trainings, so we won't spend time on it. In the next slide, the national standards context will be quickly presented, and then we will talk about the gist of this analysis, which brings together all national, European and international technical committees concerning the construction sector. Who can help you in Luxembourg with technical standardization in the construction sector? ILNAS, which has several missions, is our national standards body. ILNAS is a member of the European and international standard organization, such as ISO and CEN. Its Department of Standardization, OLN, Organisme Luxembourgeois de Normalisation, is your main support on that matter, whether you want to purchase standards or to be involved in the standardization process. OLN is supported by ANEC, Agence pour la normalisation et l'économie de la connaissance, and for national standards also by CRTIB, the National Standardization Office of the construction sector in Luxembourg. These three organizations work together to support you in your technical standardization efforts. In the standards analysis, the main chapter presents all technical committees concerning the construction sector. These technical committees are presented using tables that summarize the most relevant information related to their topic, such as the scope, the subcommittees and working groups, and the number of projects and publications. In order to facilitate the identification of relevant technical committees, they are spread across 5 sections. First, study and design, then building, construction and civil engineering, installation works, completion and finishing works, and the last one, safety, machinery and equipment. For the construction sector in Luxembourg, we have listed more than 4,500 companies, and we have identified 267 technical committees. For example, we'll have a look at the topic of acoustics. A particular focus is done on technical committees in which national delegates are registered. As you can see for this example, at the international level, information on the participation of national experts is provided, as well as the detail of all projects and publications of the committee. The subcommittee 2, Building Acoustics, holds 7 working groups among the 32 of the technical committee. And we can see that there are 53 publications and 11 projects under development. At the European level, we have 2 technical committees dealing with acoustics. The first one, acoustics, and the second one, acoustic properties of building elements and of buildings. In these cases, because there is no national delegate, the tables are simple, with only the main information. And now, at the national level, The national stakeholders have decided to create a standard to strengthen the specifications of acoustics in residential buildings. 14 national members are registered to develop this project. The next example is BIM, Building Information Modeling, which is a great topic in the construction sector. At the international level, we don't have a national participant in this TC, so only the main information is presented. The technical committee ISO TC 59 has a subcommittee with 8 working groups on organization and digitization of information about buildings and civil engineering works, including building information modeling. At the European level, Luxembourg has 3 national delegates who are registered in different working groups. 17 standards are published and 14 projects are under development. To explain the national situation, we must look at the complete structure of standardization on BIM. At the European level, the official organization is CEN. The European BIM Committee is CEN TC 442. Luxembourg has 3 delegates registered in this European Committee, so Luxembourg has a National Mirror Committee which can actively work on the creation of these standards. The National Mirror Committee is organized with a chairman and a secretary to communicate with OLN, which serves as an interface with the European organization. And anyone who wants to participate in this national committee can do so easily by registering as a delegate with OLN. The delegates registered in European working groups work directly for CEN as experts. And last step, if national experts want to create a national standard, as we have seen with the first example on acoustics, the request is sent to CRTB, which will validate with OLN the feasibility of creating a national technical committee. So I hope I have succeeded in helping you understand the technical standardization process applied to the construction sector. Keep in mind that we are at your disposal to present to you the construction standards analysis and to answer any question about technical standardization. And also keep in mind that in Luxembourg, registration, trainings and publications are free. You can download the standards analysis for the construction sector with the link in the description. Thank you and see you soon.